I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Here I am with Tamekah. We're actually almost 14 months now because we wanted to make sure you had your hair done, you looked pretty for this 1 year or your edgiversary, as we say here. Um, and thank you very much for offering to do this video for us here at Natural Transplants.
Of course.
Tell us about your edges. Tell us how you felt beforehand and how you feel now, 14 months later, having experienced. And it is a procedure. It's not a major surgery, but it's a procedure.
Yeah.
Tell us your experience.
So when I was younger, I had edges, but a common thing is braids, a lot of pulling, and this is a very fragile area. So it started thinning out. That happened a lot. I noticed it around middle school, and so became a lot of gel, a lot of slicking down. But as I got older, I didn't want to keep doing that. I felt like it was very arduous. It was time consuming. I just want to pull my hair up and go, or whatever I want to do. So I got a job where I was able to treat myself, and so I treated myself with this procedure, which boosts my confidence. I absolutely love it. I The process was amazing. I was always happy with the growth, and I took a lot of pictures. And me and my best friend did it together. I just kept doing it, kept going through it, and every time I updated a photo, I got to this point where now my loctician is amazing. We had already started locks, and now he's like, okay, do a gentle lock and just let it lock itself. We don't have to do anything. I don't have to touch it, and it just lock itself, and then we'll add the extensions to it, so it all just blends in. It has been
Ex-
absolutely painless.
And can anybody even find your incision site?
No, they were literally just saying last night because we were there. He was like, Everything has just grown and you can't see a difference." And I love that.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
And how do you like taking care of it? Are you doing anything differently? Are you definitely taking your
Yes.
we did talk about hair care and scalp care
Yeah.
during the procedure to make sure that you have healthy hair from this point on
Yes.
and a healthy scalp from this point on.
So I love the process. I was one of those people who washed my hair weekly, and then I moisturized it, and then I put the oils over it, and I massaged it in, and it just kept growing. I've gone to moisturizers now as we go into fall, so different hair textures. I do my vegetable glycerin, my It's a 10, blend it all together, spray the hair, let it do its thing, and get to going. I just style it, and now I'm doing it down as the hair has grown more, so it can be healthy. I just move out of the way. I don't have much to do.
And everybody who knew that you went through this, what do they say about your new hairline?
Oh my God, people love it. Like I have people ask me, they're like, "Oh, can I contact him?" I let you know. There's literally someone who was gonna do my hair. Was like, "Oh, can I do it? Because I have locks too, and mine is really thin." And I was like, "Okay, yeah, absolutely." So I gave her your information. People love it. Like, because a lot of black women deal with the insecurity, and they have wigs and they have extensions and all that, and it is way more work than just getting the procedure done and then feeling confident about yourself. Like I didn't have to do anything but put a band on to blend this to make it look all one, and then just go about my business, go about my day.
And then exactly, I mean, the first 3 months you're looking at your hair going, is it going to grow?
Yes,
Is it going to grow? Again, I've
exactly.
had the hair transplant myself. But after
Yep,
that 3 months, then you're literally watching grass grow or hair grow, as they say, but
exactly.
very slowly.
hmm And I think
So
it blended really well with locks because my locks were growing and this was growing at the same time.
and one of the misconceptions is you can't have it done if you have locks. No, I work around the locks. I have no
Exactly.
problems working around the locks, or if I have to remove 3 or 4 locks, I tell you in advance. These are the ones that I will have to remove.
Right.
But I'm not. I don't. I'm not concerned about working with locks. And I've in
Right.
the 9 and 8 years that I've been with Natural Transplants doing hair transplants, and that's all I do is hair transplants.
Yes.
I'm not worried about the locks. Let me go ahead and first have you put your chin down because this is the
Absolutely.
hairline that you chose.
hmm
So, a very natural. It's not a
hmm
straight line as you see. I see a lot of
Right.
times on TikTok people going doing a straight
Yes.
line. I try to make sure I add that irregular pattern to make it look more natural.
Yes.
And then just the edges on your both your left and right side.
Yep.
And we're going to show them some of your before pictures if that's okay with you.
Absolutely. Yeah.
You just have your edges back. You did amazing. And your hair type, 4C?
4C.
Yep. So a lot of some doctors who do hair transplants are worried about doing 4C hair texture, that is my go-to.
Hmm.
I will not do the FUE procedure with 4C just because you're
Right.
using a metal device, and when you have 4C hair above the skin, it's also curly below the skin.
Exactly.
So I try to advise any consultation about that. But is there anything you want to share with the world about your experience? And obviously, whatever you want to share, it's your platform.
Absolutely. Be free. Like, get your hair. Don't. I feel like a lot of black people, we're tied to our hair, and our hair is very important to us. So dressing it up and making it look different, it doesn't help our insecurities because we're constantly worried if it can be seen. So I say this to a lot of black women: just go and get it done. Feel better about yourself. You feel more free. You do not have to worry about the insecurities. Honestly, we do great with wrapping our hair anyway. I wore a lot of wraps. I still got compliments for my wraps. And then once I started to take it down as it grew, I got the compliments for the hair. And now, literally today, I'm wearing it like this for the first time, completely down. People are like, "Oh, I like your hair. What did you do differently about it?" They can't tell the difference. No one knows. Only you know. That's a big
Exactly.
insecurity.
It's like when a guy goes ahead and shaves his beard after a year. The face is still the same, but
Exactly.
it takes a second for somebody to realize, wait,
Yeah.
something's different about you, and that's what happened with my hair transplant.
Literally, no one's paying attention. Just free yourself and go get it done.
You heard it from her. I'm Dr. Siegel. Thank you, Tamekah, for sharing
My
your
pleasure.
story. And Tamekah has my personal cell phone number, so
Yes.
she knows she can call me for the next 5, 10, 15 years,
Yes.
while hopefully I'm still alive longer than that. But
Yes.
Tamekah, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Thank you for sharing your story.
My pleasure. Thank you for having me.
Take the first step to better hair. Call 844 327 4247 to schedule your free virtual consultation.